Good morning. So we're going to start this session off with our warm up. So our warm up consists of cut one, cut two, and cut three. A plane, this is the plane right here. When the plane cuts a cube parallel to the base, this is the base, it's parallel to the base. The cross section is a square because why? It's a cube. Okay. It says explore different ways of cutting it. Okay, so let's move on. Cut two. See the way it's cut there? Okay, it describes what looks like a triangular prism. Okay, three. See the edges here? If we move this, look what happens when we move it. Bigger, bigger, and then there. Look at that. Looks like a triangular pyramid. All right, do we see what we're doing here? Even when we go to each corner, still looks like a triangular prism or triangular pyramid. If I go even like this, if I get close enough and hit the midpoint of each line, we get what? One, two, three, four, five, six. Six-sided shape called a hexagon. Okay? All right, let's move on. Again, challenge one. Try to make each of the following cross sections with one of these cuts. All right. So we can make the square. It's right there, done. Also, this one here. It's right here, already done. Okay. What if we tried the trapezoid? What do we need to do to make the trapezoid? I wonder, would that work? Let's see if that will work. Nope, does the same thing. What happens if we do this? We just change the side. Still, let's see what about happening here. Let's do this. Nothing. Well, a bit doggone. What about here? I don't know. Hmm, that's weird. What happens if we do this? Oh, nothing there either. Huh, let's see what this cut looks like. Oh, oh, got a straight line right there. Almost. Okay. What happens when we do this? Ah, well, switch it around. What happens when we do this? Hmm. Let's see if we can't make that shape. Let's see, cut three. Ooh, I think we might be able to get this shape right here. Or this shape. Ah, come on. There it is. Watch this. Done this before. Remember? Midpoint. There it is. Six sides. Six sides. That was work. We got that one. What else can we do? And there's a triangle. Okay. There's a square. There's the rectangle. So I think we got them all. Moving on. Okay, so here's a triangular prism. What this is, triangular prism. 3 sides here, 3 sides here, 3 sides there. When I move this up and down, triangle is bigger or smaller. This is the plane, or this is the cross section that's cutting the shape. As I get up higher, it gets smaller, bigger, smaller, bigger, okay? Switch sides. I do this. It's a smaller triangle, bigger triangle. All right, let's see what happens when we do this. Same thing. Smaller, bigger, different angle. Same difference here. Yep. Nothing much different. See what cut 2 does. Now we can see some things happen. Oh, there goes our trapezoid right there. Triangle. Notice it stays a triangle. It comes to the 2, and all of a sudden now we have a trapezoid. Yeah. So yep, trapezoid. Let's see. Equilateral triangle. Got that. Okay. Remember, equilateral triangle. I'm sorry, not equilateral. Wrong one. Isosceles. Isosceles, 2 sides are the same. Let's see, can we get an equilateral? Hey, let's see if we can't get an equilateral. No, I don't think we can with that. Okay, so let's see if we can change the cross section so we can't get an equilateral. Let's see. And we just do this way. Or this way. No, let's do this way. There it is. There's an equilateral triangle, meaning all sides are equal. It's like a square. All right, we got that one. Can we do a Can we get a rectangle out of this? Let's do what cut 3 looks like. Oh, there's a rectangle right there. Didn't even move once. There it is. Small rectangle, almost a square. See? All right. Now, can we get a hexagon out of this? Huh, no wonder. Square. Let's look at this. Nope. What would happen to get this? Still square. Yeah. Yeah, I don't think it's getting a hexagon out of there. That's okay. We can move on. Challenge number. All right. Settle the dispute. Amar claims he can cut a rectangle cross section of A. Pilar claims she can cut a rectangular cross section of B. Who's correct? Oh boy, rectangular cross section. That's a good question. Let's see. That's rectangular cross section. Yep. Think about this. I do this here. Oops. Yep, there's a rectangle. What about here? Can I do the same thing? Don't know. Oh, that triangle. Hmm. Well, let's go ahead and see what the student responses supports. Oh, let's go here. Oh, it says both. All right. Just as explanation vary, you can create a rectangular cross section with A using cut 3 from the previous screen. You can create a rectangular cross section from B using a vertical cut. Yep, we did that. All right. So that's what we say, both. Okay. Number 5, greatest number of sides. What is the greatest number of sides a cross section would have? Well, that's 3. Let's see. This one still just 3. All right. Oh, hmm. Yeah, I don't know. Cut 2. It's a lot of stuff to do. Oh, look at there. And we get 5. Yep, we got 5 sides for this one. What about this? Yep, it's 5 sides. Well, this one. I don't know. There's 4, 3. I think the greatest number is 5. All right. Wow. Up and down. Pyramid. Notice the prism. Shape stays the same. Pyramid, the shapes get smaller. Shape stays the same. The similarity is the base. The base of the pyramid and the base of the prism are the exact same. The But as you go down, you see that the shape of in the pyramid gets smaller and the prism stays the same. Those are differences and similarities. Okay. All right. Imagine cutting a solid vertical like that. What might each cross section look like? Hmm. Well, of course, you look at this one, cut it right there. It'll be kind of a triangular prism. That's what that would get. If you do the same thing here, it'll be also, it'll be a triangular prism, rectangular, oh no, triangular prism. Hmm. This would be more like a tetrahedron of some sort. That's what you get from that. Yeah, this is just really exploring stuff. Oh boy. Select one solid and describe at least two different cross sections that are possible. You know, you can make this here and there. There's one cross section that makes this into a triangular prism. Turn this into a trapezoid prism. Okay. And go to the center, like that. Create a square for C. Oh, one solid. Wow. Yeah. Next, rectangle is cut. Triangle. See, this cut. Trapezoid, like that. Yep, trapezoid. So this will be still triangle. Okay, what's there? Still trapezoid. Okay. All right, there you go. And let's go ahead and